welcome back to my channel. So today we're actually going to be doing a challenge. I'm going to be blindfolded and I get to do Diana's makeup. And we have her makeup laid out in front of us right now. And yeah, we're just going to kind of see how I do. She did kind of teach me how she does her makeup, so hopefully I do good. I know. I know, seriously. But yeah, Dee, how do you feel?
I'm scared. I just don't make me look like a clown, okay? I taught you how I do my makeup.
I know.
You got this.
I don't know, she does her makeup a lot different than me, guys, so.
A lot different.
Yeah. So we'll see, but we hope that you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and you like and you subscribe. Thanks, guys. Okie dokie, so let's get started.
Wanna help you?
Yeah, I have a somewhat of a blindfold here. Yeah, I literally cannot see a thing. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared. Okay, I just gotta feel for things.
Don't get my shirt.
Okay. Make sure your hair is moved out of the way.
Oh, okay.
Oh my gosh, dude, I cannot. This is, okay, don't need that. Don't need that. Do not need that. Okay, no, wrong one. Not the right one, Bree. Okay, here we go. This is color correcting.
Oh my gosh, I'm scared.
Oh, okay.
Touch my face.
Okay.
Your hands are clean, right?
Yes.
Rona.
Okay. Her eyes. There's an eye.
Brina.
My hands are so cold. I'm sorry. Okay, just close your eyes. I'm gonna follow my finger.
This feels weird.
Okay, you can't move.
There you go.
I have to follow your eye. Oh my gosh, I dropped the cat.
Brina! Okay, try please.
I
Just try.
really am, Dee.
Okay.
I'm so sorry.
Drop the cap.
Yeah, okay. I seriously, I can't look. I can't see.
I'm scared.
Okay,
go.
Did it come out?
Wait, don't squeeze so much.
Oh, is it coming out?
Yeah, you're good, you're good.
Okay. I'm really not trying to.
My nose. My eyebrow.
Okay.
Here,
I can't.
Let's put it over.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, move on, please.
Okay. Now you know what? I'm just gonna go straight in with the beauty blender, guys. Okay. Where is your eye? Why do you smell like my mom? You smell like wine. That's all she smells like.
Wine.
Oh my gosh, this is your other eye?
Yeah.
This smells so weird.
I don't like this.
Me either. Okay, move your hair out of the way before it goes crazy. Okay, guys. I feel foundation. I'm gonna go in with the True Match. I know this one because I wear this one. Where's your face? Okay. Okay. Wait. Am I doing this right? What is this? Is that your nose?
It's my nose.
Oh, okay.
What do you mean, what is this?
I didn't know. Okay. We're getting somewhere.
More.
I need to make her look like J-Lo. Ooh, that's a good guiding tool right here. You just gotta feel for the ear. Yes. Okay, now I feel like I know where everything is. That's your neck.
You're getting nowhere.
Are you serious?
Nowhere. Just put hella foundation.
Oh
somewhere.
my gosh. Just put it on the beauty blender for me.
Alright, we're cheating now, but.
Yeah? Guys, wearing white was such a horrible idea. I don't know what we were thinking.
Okay, go. Start with my forehead, please. And then dot it, because I put a lot. Dot it.
Okay. Te voy a presionar. Ven aquí, mijita.
Mario.
Okay.
I got it in my mouth.
Oh, is this your other?
There you go.
Cheek.
Okay, now you got hella foundation on me. Just blend.
The blend.
Baby, blend.
Where is that ear? Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, girl. Pounce it, pounce it.
Oh my god. I look so lame.
Okay. Okay.
You're supposed to make me look
Next. This is your eye.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, right here.
Mm-hmm. And I conceal the top of my nose. Okay.
Okay. Eye. That's your nose.
My nose. My
Okay.
forehead.
In your forehead. It's probably because of the one.
Oh shit. I opened my eyes.
Oh my gosh. I'm so sorry.
Yeah, okay. Cream contour is my favorite.
Well, I told you to move it out of the way.
Okay, go. I look crazy.
Your other ear.
No, you didn't. You got it on my ear.
Did I already contour? Did it do you need more?
You did.
Okay.
Kind of.
Here.
Arthur.
I don't know why I always have to say it with an accent like that. Beauty blender.
Booty blender.
Beauty blender.
Booty blender.
Booty, 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 booty blending everywhere.
It's ugly.
Ah! Ah! Ah!
Why? That's my mouth.
Oh. I'm gonna make you look like freaking Adam Ray.
I look crazy, yeah, for real.
That's like really.
Let me find out, dude.
Let me find out,
Let me
dude.
find out. Okay. It's
Okay.
a foul.
What in the hell? What? I can't. Oh man. Coronavirus. Get out. I honestly feel like I'm doing a decent job.
See.
Okay, we good? Yeah, we're good.
A lot more.
Oh.
A lot more. Okay, we'll touch the shadow. that
I'm
you
gonna
want.
go in with this one right here. Okay, where them brows at? Where them boys? We them boys. Hello. Hello?
No, you didn't.
What? Fool?
No, you're not, Brina. Touch my brow. You do your brows like this?
Like what?
Beautiful.
Girl, I'm gonna make it look
Wow.
beautiful. Like, all them boys are gonna be hitting them DMs.
Like this? Oh, yeah.
Right.
Thursday.
Just move your face for me, yeah? Just so Okay. Yeah. Is this
Yeah.
Yeah.
You have your shadow. Oh my god. Brianna.
Is this a good shadow? That's your highlighter brush.
Let me show them which one you picked.
It's a
I like this
Morphe
one.
palette, y'all.
Mhm.
Morphe, sponsor me. You know what I'm saying? That's all I
We
use
love
here.
you.
We love you,
I use it all the
Morphe.
time.
I use you all the time.
Can you just do one shade?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Well, I don't know what shade I picked up, honey, so. Okay, next. What?
Because you're going low, go higher.
Oh, my bad.
She blending, y'all. She's good at blending. I have to give that to her.
Yeah, except when I'm blindfolded. Come here, I'm gonna make you look like Adam Ray.
Do it.
my gosh.
If y'all don't know who Adam Ray is, oh my gosh, my lips.
I'm gonna
Y'all need
totally.
to look him up.
Adam Ray.
He's funny.
I'm
He's
actually
funny.
gonna totally just link him on the.
She
on my.
said totally.
I'm just yeah. You know what, Adam Ray? If you're watching this, boo boo.
What's good?
Hit me up. We can collab, yo. I love him.
Yeah,
He's so funny. But yeah, now that he has a YouTube channel, I'm totally gonna link him at the bottom in the description. Wait, hold on. I feel like I did
Let me find out. He's not
Let
gonna
me
see
find
this.
out, dude.
Let me find out, dude.
Contour is
Done.
done.
I'm scared. Oh my gosh. Don't go in my eye.
Did I go? Is it sit right here?
Brianna, you suck. You're making me look bad on purpose.
No, I'm not, dude. I'm really trying.
I can't.
Did I get that on your shirt?
Yeah, you did.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Okay, you're done with liner. We should have never put this on here. Next.
Stop.
Stop, you stop. Okay,
Dude.
touch my lips and put it on my lips.
I'm trying, Diana. How am I doing? Okay, let me put on more. No, we're good?
You're good.
Okay. Oh no, not with the cute.
Oh yeah, yeah,
no,
you're
girl.
right.
You really want to die.
I wasn't thinking.
Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay, it's on there. It's on there. Okay. I'm scared. Yo, I'm not gonna be able to open my eye. Okay. I can't see.
What?
I can't.
Okay.
Yes, boo.
Yes.
Let
Okay.
that- It just needs to dry, you know.
Okay, give me the highlighter.
Okay, highlight. Okay, feel for the highlight. Oh wait, this is your highlight. I'll just give it to you.
Thank you. Ooh, highlight that.
Mhm.
Yes. Where them cheeks at though?
I'm all like lifting my hood.
I know. Different.
Oh my god.
All right.
You're done?
I'm
gonna
excited.
die.
Okay, here comes the final reveal.
Looks good.
Oh my gosh, my eye.
Oh my gosh!
Damn, I did go with them lash.
Look at my foundation.
Oh my god, girl.
Oh, don't I?
Who
Let
is
me find out.
she?
Who did my makeup?
Wow. Oh my god.
I need you to do my makeup every day. Because
Bet.
look at me.
Hit me up. Hit me
Look
up
at this.
for all
If
of
y'all
your
want
inquiries.
this look, follow her. Hire her.
Oh my gosh, so cute. Okay guys, so I just brought you guys a little bit closer so you could see her look. Oh my gosh. Yes.
I'm ready to go out. Let's-
San Diego, here we come.
Hey.
Oh my gosh. Okay, so look down. Look at how I did her lashes though. Ah, so cute. Single boys hit her
Yo,
up.
why the...
You look bomb.
Why did I let you do this to me? I look crazy. That liner should have never... I should have never took that liner out. Ever. hella crazy.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. So honestly, this challenge was so hard. It was actually really hard. Like, I really tried my best.
Was it hard? Was it that hard? To make me look like this?
Like, honestly, like, you really have to know your makeup. I mean, okay, I think it was a little bit difficult too because I didn't really know her makeup.
Yeah.
And I didn't know how she likes to do her makeup, so.
So you got everything like at the right spot almost.
Yeah.
I'll give you that, but you missed a few times. A lot times.
I want everyone to rate her makeup 1 through 10. Okay.
1 being bad, 10 being the best.
Yes. There we go. That's how we're
Was
gonna rate it. So yeah, just let us know what you guys
Look at
think.
these lashes.
Dang, girl. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today and watching me do Diana's makeup blindfolded.
This is how you know I love her that much, for letting me do this, or letting her do this to me.
But thank you guys again so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and you subscribe to my channel. We are going to be filming a lot more challenges, and yeah, we hope that you guys enjoyed this video.
All right, I'm going to go out now.
Bye.
Meet me in San Diego, y'all.